Nelson from the Outdoor Line here. Welcome to the last cast video for Groundhog's Day. It's February 2nd here, 2013. We talked a little bit about downrigger techniques today. Of course, I've been doing the dirty downrigger tricks PowerPoint there at the Seattle Boat Show, Western Washington Sportsman Show as well. One of the concepts we discussed was using longer releases. Now, to build these is key because it gives you the ability to customize a lot of your gear, all right? So head on down to Outdoor Emporium Sport Co., get yourself some Berkley Trilene 150 and get some crimps. They're either A9 or A7 size crimps, much bigger than you would normally use on your downrigger wire. To build these up are really quite simple, and I will tell you in a minute why you actually need to do this. Basically, we're just going to take length of this 150-pound test about as long as your downrigger boom. We drop a crimp up the line, okay, come right back down, and we make a loop. All right, the loop is then going to accommodate a dual lock snap. That makes a very versatile way to attach your clip. So here's our dual lock snap. We're just going to drop this right in there. And once we get that done, we can attach this to anything we want now. With a dual lock, and make sure you use a heavy-duty dual lock, you can now attach this snap to your downrigger ball, to a Silverhorn rudder flasher, or to a halibut line clip to stack your release. Now we need to attach the release. Again, same idea. We're going to drop this crimp up the line. Here comes our offshore black release in this case. And keep in mind there's a couple different tensions we use. We can either use the offshore blacks or the offshore reds. If we're using bait, I prefer the blacks. If we're using flasher gear, I prefer the reds. Couple advantages to using this longer release drop. It's easier to rig if it's the same length as your downrigger boom. It minimizes the reaching and leaning overboard. In addition, when our system is tensioned, in other words, we cranked up all the slack out of our line, this will ride up from your downrigger ball. When the fish hits, it moves in an arc downwards. It gives the fish an initially softer mouth feel, but it also telegraphs more information to your rod tip, okay? In addition, we use dummy flashers. It's exactly the same assembly. We just replace this release with a flasher, and you can use an 11-inch flasher on your downrigger ball, and it's swinging around out there. That's just a couple dirty downrigger tricks here on the Outdoor Line Last Cast. We'll see you next week and every week from 6 to 8 a.m. on 710 ESPN Seattle.